Alright, let's talk about the Steadfast Haven carbon monoxide detector, because I know you've probably seen those ads that seem a little intense. I got my hands on one, put it through some real home tests, and here's exactly what I found. First, the basics. It's battery operated, so I could set it up anywhere. Garage, basement, even the garden shed. Super convenient. When I pressed the test button, it blared out a series of loud beeps, which honestly startled me. But that's a good thing. You want an alarm that'll wake you up if there's danger, right? So, how about actual sensitivity? That's where it gets interesting. Like most standard detectors, the Steadfast Haven doesn't trigger until carbon monoxide hits pretty high levels, around 400 parts per million. For most emergencies, that's fine, but if you're hoping to catch lower long-term leaks, this probably isn't the best pick. Some experts recommend low-level monitors that alert you at just 30 or 50 ppm, and honestly, I get why. Now, a lot of people online are talking about the marketing for Steadfast Haven. And yeah, I noticed those fear-based ads too. If you felt pressured, you're not alone. For the price, I expected more features, like a digital display or mobile alerts. But this is just a basic, loud alarm. It does the job, but it's nothing fancy. If you want something with more peace of mind, brands like Kitty or First Alert have solid reputations, with extra features like digital readouts and faster response times. Or you could go premium with the Nest Protect, which literally talks to you and sends alerts to your phone. So, is Steadfast Haven worth it? I'd say it's decent, but not a standout, especially for the price. Test your alarms regularly, compare your options, and don't fall for the fear.